Welcome, fluffy brick brothers, and today we are going to be unboxing Lego NASA Space Shuttle Discovery, which is an 18 plus set 10283, 2,354 pieces, and on the back we got a nice beautiful design of the actual set. This set is 34 centimeters wide and 54 centimeters long, or 21 centimeters long and 13.5 wide. You also got some pictures of the actual space shuttle that it represents, some of the inside cab, what it looks like on the display stand, some of the rears that also show that the flaps move, some of the Discovery Center gadget, and also what the Discovery looks like in space over here. This also shows you that the interior cabin opens up. You can also see that it comes with two different plaques to go along with it. So let's open this box and see what we get inside. You could kind of notice that there is a security tape all over this. That's because I got it from Best Buy, and it looks like this was a box that accidentally got opened. But I did check it when it arrived, and it did have all the stuff in it. So right now I'm just reopening it because I sealed it back up. So let's open this puppy back open. This is the original side. I normally don't open from this side, but this is the side that they originally had open. So let's check out all the bags, components that come inside. As you can quickly see, I laid them all out. There is a total of 18 bags, but 17 numbered bags. That's because bag number 2 has got 2 bags. And then you also, we can call it 19 bags, so now you got all the big pieces, including the plaque that the sticker goes on. You also got the big shuttle pieces all in this external piece. Coming over and looking inside the instruction booklet, we're going to check out what's inside here. Alright, anything else in here? No. Right off the bat, we also got what is, I would call this like a solar panel sticker. It is a very unique sticker right here. You also got the plaques and the logo stickers. So far 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers. Whoop. Then we got just a little piece of warning saying that they're moving to paper. I'll believe it when I see it. We got more reflector stickers. So we got a bunch of the small and a bunch of the big. Now we got the instruction booklet. It's a thick one. Well, it's over 2,000 pieces, I would expect so. Right off the beginning, you're going to get something involving the space flight icon, the mission, a little bit from the design team, future endeavors, because they also did the big tall rocket before, but that was retired. And then it shows you inside. So bags 1, 2, and 3, you're building the little Discovery. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're just starting out with the base. 9, 10, 11, and 12, more building up into the center of the shuttle. 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 is finishing the shuttle out. Before you get into any more, it tells you about the Hubble telescope, the major observatory. And now, you move to bag 1, where you build the stand. So that is everything you get in the Space Shuttle Discovery, which is a soon-to-retire set. It's supposed to be retired at the end of 2024. This is everything you get in the box. Stay tuned, as we will be building this set live. And then when we're done building it live, we will then go into an in-depth review of the full set. So stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more Lego content like this. As always, keep building your life just one simple brick at a time.